Hey everyone, this is Mr. Webb again, and I'm here to talk to you about another cool feature of GoodReader. It's called annotating a PDF. Now, annotating a PDF file is a flat picture, right? A flat worksheet file that you cannot edit. But when you annotate, it's like you take a pen and you write on top of the PDF file. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Remember, this is the same field trip file that I was using earlier, so I'm going to go into field trip, I'm going into demo, because remember this is what I unzipped from before. And now I'm going to annotate this demo.doc.pdf file. When I click on that, I have this. This is a nice PDF. I can scroll up and down. I actually can't do anything with it. I can make it smaller, I guess, for a second. But what I want to do now is write on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I can hold my finger down, and when I hold my finger on top, it gives me this little A, B, C, and then it looks like a little cursor. I click on that cursor. It asks you, do you want to save to this file or create an annotated copy? Now what that means is, do I want to actually write on top of this file, or do I want to write on top of a new file and then I still have this file that's a nice, perfect, beautiful copy? I actually am okay to create an annotated copy. That's a smarter idea to do 90% of the time. So you're going to click create an annotated copy. Now it pops up this little thing for me to type in information. So I'll put in, what should I put in? Field trip information. When I've typed in whatever I want to, I only put 3 words in here. You can put in a paragraph if you want to. But if you once you put that information down, you hit save, and then, what is that right there? Field trip information. I just wrote that down. Pretty cool, right? So, can I do something with it? Absolutely I can. When I click on that text that I just edited, I can do different things to it. I can make the text bigger in font size. See what I'm doing? When I click on it, I can go +1, +1, +1. I can make it as big as I want. They actually have numbers already. I won't make it a font size of 20, so that way it's really big, right? Another thing you can do is you can click on it and you can hit color. And now I can change the color from this green to how about a nice pretty blue. Another thing I can do is I can edit the size of it. If I hit move, I can make it a really tall image if I want to, a really tall note. Or I can make it really wide. Or I can move it from the bottom of the page to the top of the page. Okay? Last thing I'll show you how to do. Oops, I've decided that field trip information is not enough. It's just called field trip info. So what I can do is I can hit edit. Now it's the same thing as before where I have field trip information. I can go back, delete whatever I want. I can actually add more text, and then hit save. And then again, I might move that because it's obviously not in the nice place. And ta-da. So when you're annotating a text, a PDF, that's the way you do it. What you're going to be doing on this field trip is we'll be asking you questions. You will answer those questions and then put that down onto the PDF. Thank you.